Understanding the phrase, trust your heart. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore a very special phrase in English, trust your heart. This phrase is not just common in conversations, but it's also rich in meaning and emotion. Let's dive into what it truly means and how you can use it in your daily life. Trust your heart may seem straightforward, but it's packed with depth. Literally, it means to have faith or belief in one's own heart. Figuratively, it suggests listening to and following your inner feelings or instincts rather than relying solely on logic or the opinions of others. It's about believing in your own values and desires when making decisions. This phrase is commonly used in situations requiring personal decisions or during times of uncertainty. For example, 1. Choosing a career path. I know it's a tough decision, but you should trust your heart and choose the job that feels right to you. 2. Relationship advice. If you're unsure about your feelings, trust your heart. It will lead you to the right choice. Remember, using this phrase encourages someone to be authentic and true to themselves. Trust your heart is a favorite in books, movies, and songs, often used to inspire courage and hope. For instance, in many Disney movies, characters succeed by trusting their hearts over external pressures. This usage highlights the phrase's association with pursuing dreams and overcoming challenges. In many cultures, the heart is seen as the center of emotion, intuition, and wisdom. Thus, trust your heart resonates deeply as it aligns with the belief that one's heart is a source of inner truth and guidance. Trust your heart is more than a phrase. It's a principle that emphasizes the importance of inner wisdom and authenticity in our lives. We hope this video helps you understand its depth and encourages you to listen to your heart more often. Thanks for watching, and remember to trust your heart in your journey of learning and living.